Um, Thank you, Uncle Paul. Oh, shoot. Right. Huh. Never mind. I already finished it, so what the heck. By the way, Uncle Paul, I wanted to thank you for getting me this. Anyway, um, transferring to the next episode. Wow. How did I end up like this? Okay, what's next? Next. Sorry. Just haven't been used to something like. I guess we're gonna draw Cave Bear? Yeah, let's start with Cave Bear. I've always wanted to draw him. Got it. Alright, now that I've regained my sake, let's see how far we can draw this. Cave Bear first appeared on prehistoric planets. Oh, sorry. What I meant to say was, he appeared on Prehistoric Park. He first appeared in episode 2, alongside the mammoth and elasmotherium. Apparently, this one lived during the Ice Age. That was a common year, and one of the recently shown era on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. Also, this era appeared on Life on Our Planet, a Netflix series that I'm mostly proud of. I've been watching it well, quite a long time. I've drawn it up a lot of it for a long era, and well, I've been planning um I've been planning whatever I've been planning up what kind of habitats these creatures should be in. Well, it's kind of unpredictable how and what these habitats will look like. But it doesn't really matter anyway. What matters is that I draw them up and show everyone what they look like, and then I put them on t-shirts, and well, it just goes to show you that whatever you do, it doesn't stop evolving. I'm actually quite proud that I got to draw these creatures. That's why I got these huge books, so I can draw them up and show you all what they look like. And well, it's basic to see what they'll be like in a decent habitat. And well, I wanted to thank you guys for all your support. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and be sure to show up the check out what dinosaur you want me to draw next. Just post a comment below. Well, uh, I've been expanding this playlist for quite a while, and well, I wanted to keep growing. The Prehistoric Life playlist is one of my favorites. I think it might be a great idea for you guys as well. You should watch it. Well, you guys should check out what else my playlist has to offer. Sorry, it must have been something I ate. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Good night.